Alright, welcome back. Obviously, this is not the preferred method to clean out dust from your PC. This is the blower that I used. It's not an industrial, strength. It's like nothing you would use in hurricane cleanups, or else I would not have tried this Black & Decker corded leaf blower. If you're interested, there'll be some Amazon links below in the show notes. Did it work? Yes. Is it recommended? What are you, freaking nuts? That being said, if you are on a budget and you happen to have one of these laying around, use this at your own risk. No computers, no human being was harmed in the making of this video. But I did take some precautions. Okay. First of all, I ran this video. I did the video inside my garage, just in case, something would accidentally go, flying, sideways, like a piece of motherboard or RAM chip or something else. Nothing happened. Now my light fell. Had a light on the stand and that fell over, but that's okay. The light still works. I used an old 720p inexpensive handheld camera in case that blew over and it broke. The computer I use is an older Lenovo model 405 something. It's, I don't know, 6-7 years old. So if by accident I did break it, crack the motherboard, I wouldn't be happy, but I wouldn't feel as bad. I mean, the computer value now is probably worth, what, $100 or something, but it's a reliable computer and it plays nice with Linux. So I did the test. And I'm recording this on the computer that I just cleaned. So evidently, it is somewhat safe to use at your own risk. So what are the recommended ways to clean your computer, PC, or keyboard? Compressed air. I've used this before. It's never failed me. It's safe. You can try various, small type vacuum cleaners, handheld blower with a little or handheld vacuum with a little brush attachment. So the results of this video, yeah, it is possible. Do I recommend it? Forget about it.